about to go out for 250 stock. Hope plans to get the whole shot and win this thing.
Said, give it all, give up, it's in up, it's out when you're dealing with us. Go through pain and fighting bust, but without that there be no love. Some things just don't last forever, we just tryna last together. Say we need to spend more time, and I agree, I really wanna. But I'm cop up, see my one show needs and what I'm trying to be. Trying to be the best I can, successful with this music thing, and trying to be the best for you, but you could probably do better. Can't see enough of each other, spend all my time making records. Girls like her are hard to find, plus she more than feeling me. Care to spell my rapping status, she just wanna be with me. She different than them other girls, money ain't a thing to her, and drama ain't a problem, cause she only tryna make it work. She tell me she just tryna make it worth it, and that I gotta put my work in. I told her tell me how to act, I hate to see you hurting, and she said just give me more. I told her you my world, girl, I will.
David Millsap Spring Classic at Mill Creek. Just chilly morning, but getting ready for 258.
Now she be blowing up my phone, but I be buried in the studio. Got her calling, talking about the things she wanna do to me. We Skyping on a Friday night, she sexy on video. Lil' mama summer love, so I ain't about to give that up. Steady laying tracks, I had her laying on her back, pressing, kissing her ribs, navel, hips, and all of that. We was grinding, but together like it should be. Until she took my phone, she read my text and get this look to me. Lie about where I said I was, some things you just gotta do. Girl, I got a life to live, add that up with working you. Last night I was just partying instead of in the studio. I've only got one life to live, girl, why can't you just let this go? She think I'm cheating, think I got one on the sidelines, just cause I'm that rapper who them groupies wanna ride on. I keep it close cause you the first that didn't wanna stay. It's hard to find a love that's real when those who say they love you fake.